The journey of space exploration began in 1957 with the launch of Sputnik 1 by the Soviet Union, marking the start of the space age. Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth, symbolized a major leap in human achievement and ignited the space race between the US and the Soviet Union. The 1960s were defined by fierce competition between these two superpowers. In 1961, the Soviet Union achieved another milestone when Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit Earth aboard Vostok 1. His 108-minute flight proved that humans could survive in space, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. In response, the US launched the Apollo program, culminating in the historic Apollo 11 mission. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the Moon, while Michael Collins orbited above in the command module. Armstrong's famous words, "One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed around the world, solidifying the US's triumph in the space race. Following the Moon landings, space exploration shifted focus to long-term projects. Both the US and the Soviet Union developed space stations, Salyut and Mir for the Soviets, and Skylab for the US in 1975. The Apollo-Soyuz test project symbolized the first major cooperation between the superpowers, as American and Soviet spacecraft docked in orbit. In 1998, the International Space Station, ISS, was launched, becoming a symbol of global collaboration in space exploration. The ISS allows for extended human habitation and groundbreaking scientific research in microgravity, with contributions from multiple countries. In the 2000s, the private sector emerged as a key player in space exploration, led by SpaceX. Founded by Elon Musk in 2002, SpaceX aimed to reduce the cost of space travel and eventually make life multiplanetary. With the development of reusable Falcon rockets, SpaceX revolutionized the industry, notably when its Falcon 9 became the first orbital rocket to land back on Earth after delivering its payload. In 2020, SpaceX made history by launching Crew Dragon, the first commercially built spacecraft to transport NASA astronauts to the ISS. This milestone marked a new era, where private companies now play a leading role in space exploration, opening the door for commercial space travel and future missions to Mars. Looking ahead, NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon by 2025, with the goal of establishing a sustainable lunar base. At the same time, SpaceX is developing Starship, a spacecraft designed to carry humans to Mars, with Elon Musk envisioning a self-sustaining colony on the Red Planet. From Sputnik to SpaceX, space exploration has showcased human ambition and ingenuity. What began with a small satellite orbiting Earth has now paved the way for humanity to explore distant worlds, pushing the limits of technology and imagination. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the history of space exploration. Be sure to subscribe for more captivating explorations of history's greatest wonders.